Gonna see some big animals. The sounds in the middle of the clips are wind, just to let you know. So when I make the pitch higher, the wind sounds scary. Gonna see some major animalage on this walk. Yes, as you see, there's usually an animal in this layer. In here, yes. And well, we're gonna go on the golf course. So I may die. Who knows? So we're nearby this swamp, and the golf course. Making my way to where some of the animals tend. As you can see, there's leftovers from where trees used to be. There were termites. Termites. And there, see this? Termites. Termites. Okay. Ooh, a pond. There's a pond over here. It's beautiful. There's a lizard. Yeah, I'm not seeing any animals. No animals here. I'm gonna leave. Go somewhere else. Ooh, a tree. Pretty tree. Pretty tree. Pretty tree, okay. Ooh, mushroom. I'm gonna eat it. Whoa. Man, God, my legs hurt. Where am I? Why can't I talk? I'm talking, I can't hear it. Everything's so colorful. I have to get out of here. Okay, get up. Oh, man. Whoa, I'm dizzy. Oh, man. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna try and find my house. Where am I? Oh my God, what's going on? Oh my God. Ooh, pretty. I'm gonna touch it. I wonder what'll happen if I step on these. Why, hello, Mr. Plant.
Don't touch me. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna run after you. I'm gonna pull my wrist and I'm gonna come after you.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my nugget, oh my nugget, oh my nugget. You talk too?
Of course I talk. Stick your finger in me and I'll cut it.
These plants are way too thick. Is that a little worm? Oh, it's a magical worm. Okay, I'm gonna... Still... Oh, everything's spinning. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna puke. Save us! Help! We're dying! I need to get inside. My glasses... Everything's spinning. Don't eat shrooms. Don't. So, I saw talking plants, saw a squirrel, saw a worm, saw lizards, see lizards, lizards. I saw termites, and I saw grass. I'm gonna go inside, because I'm gonna
When I get back up on my feet, I make the music stop. So hear me now.